it is. Let me see later, you know. You know, I want to tell you something funny, guys. I've been in this country for over 12 years. I've been in America for over 12 years, and would you believe it's only in like the past year or so that I have really had a cantaloupe. Yeah, funny, right? Yeah, I mean, it wasn't really my favorite thing. I see people, I guess, probably it was the type that I got at the time, but the first time I had it, it wasn't like something I would